First, I emphasize that we perform endoscopic thyroidectomy, which is a remote access to the thyroid. And I think the highlights with this approach is that we don't leave a scar in the neck. We can have a great image in a big, high definition screen. And so we believe that we can increase safety with this approach. And it perfectly suits the indications for ambulatory surgery, since we operate mainly young patients with low risk anesthetic and with big desire to come back home as soon as possible. Well, it's a completely different approach from the conventional one, since the dissection is laterally, not in the midline, and I think that is another thing that can raise the indication for the ambulatory setting, since hematomas, if they complicate the procedure, they don't stay in the cervical area. They have a wide space to drainage with no risk of compression of the airway.